This is my review for the Philips Espresso coffee machine. I've had this machine for several years and I love it. It's so convenient. I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, at the very top here, I'm sorry if it's hard to see, but this is where you put the beans in this part. If you want to make regular coffee, ground coffee, it would go in this little part right here. This is the water reservoir, and all you do is pull it out like that and then just take this over to the sink and refill it. This drawer comes out. It will tell you right here, this light will indicate if this drawer needs to be emptied. So when you see this light, then you need to empty this drawer, and it's very simple to take out. You just pull it out like that and carry it over to the sink, empty this part. This is the liquid, and this is where the grounds go. This is the wand to make like steamed milk. You can use any kind of milk. You can take it off after to wash it. Okay, so I have my coffee cup underneath the spout. This can drop even lower if you like, or higher depending on the size of your cup. I'll leave it there. And then you just press what type of coffee you want. If you want an espresso, you would press that button. And then this is the strength of the coffee that you're going to make. And this is how big of a cup you're going to make. So one light would indicate the smallest size and then going up. So I'm going to make a coffee. So I'll press the coffee button. I want it to be strong and I want a half of a cup. Okay, and then I'll just press that button. Okay, so when it's done, it's going to drop the ground coffee beans into this part down here and discard them. And you could take your cup away now. That's my cup of coffee. It's about a half of a cup. If I wanted the full size, I would choose 3 of the buttons there, 3 of the lights, and it would go all the way to the top of my cup. Now it's going to stay on for approximately 30 minutes, and then it's going to automatically shut down. Once it's shut off, and you want to turn it back on again, you just press this button. That's the on and off button. And then what will happen is when you press it on again, it will rinse the machine one more time so that there's always like fresh water coming through.